Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Decode Extreme. I'm Zahra Ismail from the media unit of SLTC, and I'll be your MC for today's event. We are thrilled to have you all here for this exciting Today Awareness webinar series organized by the IEEE student branch of SLTC in collaboration with the IEEE Computer Society student branch chapter of SLTC. DECODE XTREME is designed to motivate and prepare all undergraduates for IEEE Extreme 18.0, a 24-hour global programming competition that unites IEEE student members from around the world to tackle coding challenges, hosted virtually and proctored by local IEEE members. Throughout the series, we will provide an introduction to IEEE Extreme 18.0, essential pre-preparations for the competition, and focus on fundamental algorithmic programming to lay a solid foundation for your success. The primary objective of Decode Extreme is to encourage undergraduates from various institutions to participate in IEEE Extreme by giving you a comprehensive understanding of the competitions and nature and requirements. We are excited to feature guest speakers who have previously participated in IEEE Extreme, allowing them to share their experience and insights. By providing practical tips and first-hand knowledge, Decode Extreme will clarify the intricacies of the competition and inspire active participations from all of you. So, without further ado, let's kick off this event. I would like to invite Mr. Lakshita Madhushan, the chairperson of Decode Extreme, to share his thoughts and officially welcome you all. Over to you, Mr. Madhushan.
Thank you, Sarah. A warm welcome to everyone joining us today for Decode Extreme webinar series. I am Lakshita Madhushan, the chairperson of Decode Extreme and the SLTC ambassador for IEEE Extreme 18.0. On behalf of the entire team, I am thrilled to see such an engaged audience from around the world, united by shared passions, motivating and preparing undergraduates for IEEE Extreme 18.0. First of all, I would like to extend the special welcome to our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Eranga Kodithuaku. His visionary leadership as the section lead of IEEE Extreme 18.0 for the IEEE Sri Lanka section and vice chair of collaborative activities for the Sri Lanka Student Activities Committee has been truly inspiring. We are honored to have you with us today. And of course, the heart of Decode Extreme is all of you, our participants. Each of you brings a unique perspective and thirst of knowledge and a desire to make a difference. Your presence here shows the power of collective action. IEEE Extreme is a global competition hosted by the IEEE, where student teams from around the world compete in a 24-hour coding marathon. It is designed to challenge the skills of participants involving complex problems using algorithm and coding in various programming languages. Today, we will explore the impact of IEEE and how IEEE Extreme shapes the global tech community. This session will provide a deeper understanding of IEEE's mission and the international scope of IEEE Extreme. Mr. Eranga Kodithuaku will guide us through the details of this prestigious competition. Thank you all for being here today. It is now my pleasure to introduce Mr. Eranga Kodithuaku, who will share his expertise and insights into the key aspects of IEEE Extreme. Over to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Madhushan, for that inspiring welcome. Now, let's take a moment to immerse ourselves in the world of SLTC IEEE by watching a brief and yet informative video that highlights our journey and accomplishment throughout 2023. Now it's my pleasure to introduce our esteemed guest speaker for today. He is the IEEE Sri Lanka Section Lead Ambassador of IEEE Extreme 18.0 and Vice Chair of Collaborative Activities of the IEEE Sri Lanka Section Student Activities Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Eranga Kodituaku, as he shares his invaluable insights that will guide you through your IEEE Extreme journey. Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. Uh, Good evening. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible. Right. Okay. So thank you for the introduction. And as Madhushan said, the Extreme is ultimate, uh, the world largest coding competition. So you all are in a path to compete that competition. That's why your university also, the IEEE Eastern branch also organizing this DECODE XTREME. So let me share my uh, screen. Uh, so uh, I think most of you now have heard about Extreme. So Extreme is the world largest uh, coding competition. So and if I talk about the Extreme, so the IEEE is the world largest technical professional organization, right? So so that's how the IEEE Extreme become the world largest coding competition, right? So this competition, the participants are from whole world and around the globe, the students like you uh, and the people who have a lot of experience than you are competing this competition, and a lot of people are waiting to compete this competition. So because this since this is the world largest, so the not only the students like you, and but also the companies, right? The world largest companies also looking at this competition to get the winners and the best performing teams to their companies. So that's the importance of this competition. That's why we also pushing you as a Sri Lanka section as well as universities to this competition, because it will uh, give you the maximum. That means the it will give you something that another competition cannot give. So, so let's this is a 24-hour competition, right? So yeah, you can see. So 24 hour means this time the competition is on 26th of October. Normally the competition start on early morning 5:30, right? 5:30. The 24 hours. That means the next day 5:30 morning the competition will ends. So since your university also organizing, so you can get the experience in your university. So that is the competition. Uh, so why you need to participate? So as I earlier mentioned about this important of the competition and the impact that competition final result uh, to your life, that is the most important thing. And the next things, if you if you not uh, achieve in that level, but also when you participating and preparing with coding questions, solving problems, so that will improve your skills, right? So that's the main thing: the problem solving, and the dynamic programming, your critical thinking, and the time management, uh, and the dealing with your proctors, and your how to work with the team, right? Team working, because when you go to the uh, industry, so you are not the only one there, right? That means if you work in a project, so uh, sometimes you may have learned about pair programming. Likewise, so many programming concepts are there, right? So this teamwork will guide you to practice those things, right? How to solve the problems, how to apply those theories that you learned, those things. And the networking with your friends, and sometimes your proctors mean your lecturers. You will have the opportunity to be in the competition time throughout the day, or more than a day in your university. And finally, if you place or reach top position in Sri Lanka or global, you will receive cash prizes and travel grants, so many uh, prizes or gifts from IEEE, and the DECODE XTREME also like that, I think. So first you can practice and compete to that, and then with that practice, you can confidently face to the IEEE XTREME also. And the recognition, as I already mentioned, uh, if you place the higher position in Sri Lanka, the top companies in Sri Lanka will uh, hire you, right? So that is the recognition, and you will get some other more chances in your career. So normally, the people who won this competition, if you saw the people, so they are in top level in world, right? So have you heard about FANG companies? FAANG, Facebook, Amazon. Is that one? Facebook, Amazon. Uh, Another I forgot it. So and Netflix, Google. It's right. Amazon, Apple, right? So these companies, not only these, right? Uh, the below companies also like that. So you can you actually you don't know where you can go if you won the competition, such competition. So what you need to have to participate this competition? So first you need to be a active IEEE member, and then you need to register in this competition, right? So the membership, normally membership, you can go to this site, right? Uh, this is IEEE website. So there you can click to join IEEE, and then uh, you can get the membership. So it will cost $14. So make the arrangement with that money, because that money will uh, not waste, right? So because that money can change your life, and unless you will pay that type of money in within 2-3 months, that need to uh, enjoy or some lot of works, right? So you know what you doing in normally. So make that money spent, right? So that will change your life. and the team formation. This competition will run as a teams. Teams have 3 members. You are now you are student members. So there can be 3 student members, 1 student member, and 2 graduate student members. Graduate means the people who graduated, fresh graduate, or uh, up to 10 years, right? Yes. You can normally what you the people, the students you are doing is making with your teams, with your friends, no? So that's fine. So that's how the competition have been in previous years also. So you can make the teams maximally 2 graduate members. The one also can be there. If you have 2 members, that's fine. There is no anyone, so you can participate individually. So, but try to make a team and practice with that team. So try to make a bond and uh, strong team, right? And then your team can have a good goal plan with the coding. So throughout the year, you can go to so many hackathons, the coding competition throughout the year. So so many campuses and so organizations are organizing the hackathon. So you can go as a team, and finally you can keep this IEEE Extreme as the ultimate goal, right? And keep practicing. So the continuation is the most valuable and effective thing. So don't code once a month, right? Continue throughout the month. So then if you knew, I'm saying that if you are in first year or second year, so keep continuing every day. So that will change, that will make you big impact, right? So those are the competition rules. Means normally you can't get help from the other people. So that will and you need to have a proctor from this competition side. So that thing will guide you in your ambassador as well as the organizing committee, extreme organizing committee in your university. So they will guide you to get the registrations done and the needful details for the registration as well as the proctors. They will assign you a proctor, so then you can deal with that proctor. And then this is the Extreme Sri Lanka page, right? Extreme.IEEE.lk. Recently we published this website. So here there is a our link, social media links. So this WhatsApp is a WhatsApp community. So you go there, you can connected with other people, and you can get some update about the sessions or the events conducting in the Sri Lanka section as well as the global. So that is there. And this is the extreme.org page from global website. So the registrations are closing on October 12th, right? That is another important date. Try to register before the day, right? Don't wait until the last moment. And the competition is on 26th, right? So uh, if you click this links, you will direct to the vTools page, this one. So first you need to log into the your IEEE account, and then you will receive the registration form. Step by step you need to fill your details first as the team member, team leader, and then the other 2 members and the proctor details. those things for the registration, the ambassador Madhushan will guide you definitely, so you can get his uh, support for that those activities. And these are the recent statistics about the competition. This one is the 16th, 17th is the last one. The counts are higher than this. That's why this competition become the world largest competition. And if you want this competition, the first prize is your travel grant for a IEEE conference, and you will receive in that travel grant means the conference fees, the traveling air tickets, and the uh, hotel price charges, and all those things will be provided uh, throughout the conference via IEEE. And the second place will receive the USD 400, and third place will receive 300 USDs. This money is not the worth, that means money is also worth, but if you achieve this type of a achievement, so that is worth than this money, right? Because that will change your entire life, and it will give you a top job, and then you can migrate to whatever you can do, right? You can see the people where achieve this these places, right? So don't think we can't do, because people have won this competition in worldwide, globally, first place. Recently we conducted few sessions from IEEE Sri Lanka section with those people, world winners. So those people are from Extreme 3.0, and after that also there are global winners. So we contacted the first one. So now they are in top level, right? Senior software engineers in Google, and likewise so many higher ranks in the globe, right? So right. And the fourth place also receiving, 4th to 10th also receiving the gift pack from IEEE, and some t-shirt, IEEE top coded t-shirt, and 11 to 100 also getting some gift packs, and all participants can get participation certificate, and not this certificate. So all of you getting a rank, right? The island-wise rank, global rank, as well as the uni-wise, right? Uh, so that things you can include in your CVs, right? So that is the important thing. So uh, unless you can't be the world top team in this time, so that will beneficial for you to uh, put in your CV, and uh, get the insight from the companies, or when you go into a interview. So those are the things. And then I said that so many conferences, the first place the team achieving the first place can go to the IEEE conference. This is the IEEE conferences site. There are so many IEEE conferences worldwide, right? Throughout the whole year. So you can refer this and see what are those things, what is the things happening in these conferences, what is the value of this, right? So you can check this. I will provide all these links end of the session, and you can see this here in this Extreme page. You can see the practice community, and end of the this page also there is practice, right? Practice now. This will direct you to this page, the CS Academy. CS Academy is the platform where the competition is happening. In this page, you can see this task, right? Task, there are so many questions from the previous extreme questions, right? This extreme level and likewise. It has last time questions also, right? The important thing is there are you can see here hardest, likewise hardest, medium, easy, right? Hardest, easy, medium. Likewise, the categories of the questions and the percentage of the people, percentage of solving these questions, right? Important thing is you need to aware about this question structure. So this is the question structure. Normally, this IEEE competition and the major competitions are following in programming competition. So the topic and the time limit, memory limit, and some statement. This one is very small. I will go to another one. And the standard outputs, inputs, and the constraints, and some example inputs and outputs. And some questions have explanations too, right? I will go to another question. This one, the same one. Right here. Likewise, there's some statement. This will explain some scenario, real world scenario. So you need to understand that first, and you need to come to a conclusion. This theory is we can use to solve this question, right? First thing, that there's a problem solving part. You need to understand and clarify which theory we need to, which technique you need to apply in this question. And then the standard outputs, inputs, these things clearly mentioning this constraint, right? Every variable in these questions have constraint, and they are definitely giving these constraint, right? You can understand that T is, if standard out inputs, no, when you defining inputs, so you need to aware of and keep it in your mind that the T is between 21 and 25, right? So then that's how this time limit and memory limit affecting to the compilation time, right? Those things you need to understand, right? Because the another thing is the normally a question receive 30 marks, and the marks are given depending on the way of solving. That means the memory limit, time limit. If you exceeding this time limit, so you will receive the less marks. And if you achieving this memory limit, time limit, and the less execution time, less memory, if you're using, so you will get maximum and the highest marks. That's how the competition runs. Then other thing is yes, in this platform, so you can see these algorithms, lessons, tasks, likewise. So here here are some questions from technical topic wise, right? Topic wise, the theory parts. If you choose the data structures, there are some questions from the data structures, right? So when you need to practice data structures or the binary search tree or some algorithms, right? So you can choose these questions and practice. So make this base to practice the questions with this structure. right? And all the parts are in this platform. And another thing is, in lesson part, you have the theories also. If you don't know the graph theory, so you can have you can refer this document, and you can uh, learn the graph theory. And the community, so in community also there, uh, you can understand the graph theory, and the needful resources are there. All those things, data structures also here, what is stacks, likewise, uh, things are there. And workspace also there. You can code it and run it, compile it and run it. Uh, so so many languages also there. Normally Extreme also have more than 25 programming languages. If you are a beginner, don't worry about the language, because if you know, if you are comfortable with Java or Python, so try with that language. So if you are in some good level, so consider the uh, behavior of the languages also, because some languages uh, taking much time to compilation time is high, and the memory uh, requirement also high. So in that case, you need to know which language can give the uh, which language is using the less memory and uh, uh, the fastest compilation. So those things you can learn later. So anyhow, first thing you need to know is you need to do is first try with the resources or the capacity you have, and then day by day you can improve your skills, and uh, place yourself or your team in top of the uh, competition, or in your career also, likewise, right? So the scoreboard also there. And this is also a platform like HackerRank, LeetCode. You know, I hope you know. So you can create a account here, and you can code by yourself, right? And uh, this is ranking country wise. The you if you score higher, if you score higher, so that also you can state in your CV. So those things are there, right? I think you know about those things. So those are the main points that I need to mention. So if you have any questions, please direct in the Q&A session, or the right. I think the Q&A session is there. So right, I hope you will uh, maximally give your effort to not for others, to build yourself, right? Yourself, and uh, perform well in your competition in Decode Extreme as well as the Extreme. Make that opportunities effectively. Use that, and I hope you also will be good positions in these competitions. So good luck with your coding. So thank you. If you have any questions, please direct. Over to you, Sarah. I think if there is a specific Q&A session, we can discuss it in that. Otherwise, I can continue with this. What is the plan?
Thank you, sir. Now we move on to the most interactive part of our event, the Q&A session. This is your opportunity to ask questions and engage directly with our resource person. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to turn on the mic and ask, or you can drop your questions in the chat box.
Okay, I have one question. Any member can participate this competition. Any member means, what do you mean by any member? That means IEEE student members and graduate members can participate. The people or students who needs to participate this competition need to have active IEEE membership, right? So IEEE membership cost $14. Calculate with the current Sri Lanka USD count. So that amount you need to wait. IEEE.org is the website, IEEE website. And when you go to this site, there's a join IEEE button and join as a, wait, what is this? It's loading. Wait. Here, join as a student, right? When you click that one, you have a membership application. So you can fill that form, and finally you will getting interface to add the account details. You need to have a MasterCard or, right? This is my account. So payment, at the payment option, you have you need to enter the payment details, and it will charge $14. Normally IEEE membership fee is $24. So $27. There's a discount at this at the moment. So that's why you can get the membership to $14. So you can get the membership, and then after that you can register in this portal. So for the registration, the Extreme ambassadors will guide you, right? I hope I give the answer. If there's any doubts, please ask.
So we got a question. Is there an advantage of participating as a team other than individual?
Yes, definitely. He's asking, is there any benefit, right? What is the question?
Yes. Is there an advantage of participating as a team other than individually?
Yeah, that's what I mentioned. There are normally 24 hours. There will be 24, 25, around 25 questions. So averagely, if we divide it by 24 to 24 or 25, so there will be a 1 hour or less than that time, right? So if you are Superman, definitely you can solve those questions. So the benefits means, think of that you are going to be a competition in the competition 24 hours throughout the day, individually, seeing at the laptop or the machine, reading the questions, solving, coding, right? If you enjoy that, so that's okay. But I think that is not the way, because that's what I said, that so many programming concepts, pair programming, extreme programming. Likewise, so many things are there. So when you and some questions you need to understand the questions differently, right? So if you have two other members, you can discuss with them, and sometimes normally in teams, right? So someone have good at coding, the typing, right? Someone have good at algorithms, someone good at as problem solving. So that problem solver can read the, if there's the new question published, so then he can go and read the question, if uh, solving that questions, writing or something, right? Work on that thing, and another to work on that another question. Likewise, you can collaboratively you can get the maximum output. That's the interesting part in this competition. So that's the benefit also. I hope you got the answer.
We got another question from our participant. Is it possible to participate in the IEEE Extreme competition without a proctor, or is having one mandatory for all teams?
Yes, you can't actually you can't register without proctor, because in the registration form, you after filling the member details, you need to add the proctor details, right? So those proctor details will give you from the extreme ambassador, because uh, the extreme the university lecturers or the doctors, professors will apply and register as the proctors, right? So within that proctors, the organizing committee will divide the team members, all teams, and you will notify that you this proctor is assigned to you, and this detail fill it in your registration form, right? Those things will handled by the Madhushan and team. So then you need to add that details. Definitely you need to have a proctor.
I hope you got the answer for your question. And now, thank you everyone who participated in our Q&A session. A heartfelt thank you to Mr. Eranga Koditwaku for your immense support and guidance throughout this journey and for the success of this event. We have prepared a small token of appreciation for you, sir, so please accept this with our most sincere gratitude. Your endorsement and encouragement are invaluable to us, and we deeply appreciate the time you have taken to be with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we are slowly reaching the end of our session and the webinar series. Before we conclude the event, I would like to invite all of our participants to switch on your cameras to capture this cherished moment. I'll give you guys a minute to get ready, and then we will capture the moment. Let us switch on the camera and capture this moment. With the countdown of 3, let's take the picture. Are you ready, guys? So 3, 2, 1, and give you a big smile. Cheese. Thank you, everyone. As we draw our event to a close, don't forget we have an exciting second session lined up on the 5th of October from 8 to 9 p.m., where we will dive even deeper into the preparation, strategies, and tips for acing IEEE Extreme. To end today's event, I would like to invite Ms. Tarushi Nadhinika, Project Secretary of DECODE XTREME, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, Tarushi.
Thank you, Zara. Good evening, everyone. As we conclude the first session of the DECODE XTREME webinar series, I would like to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to everyone who contributed in making this event a success. First, I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Iranga Kodituaku. Thank you, sir, for sharing your invaluable insights and experiences with us. Your guidance has given our participants a much clearer understanding of the IEEE Extreme competition and has surely inspired them to take on this exciting challenge. To all participants who joined us today, thank you for your enthusiasm and engagement. We hope this session provided you the motivation and clarity you need as you prepare for IEEE Extreme 18.0. We look forward to seeing you again for session 2, and we wish you the best in your preparations for the competition. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Ms. Tarushi Nadhinika, for those heartfelt words. And a special thank to all our guest speakers, special guests, and everyone who joined us tonight. We trust this event has sparked both inspiration and invaluable insights, leaving you with new perspectives and ideas to take forward. So once again, thank you everyone and have a wonderful day.